Imagine being one of the top 100 companies in India by market capitalization. That's what Dixon Technologies Limited, listed on the Indian Stock Exchange, is doing right now. This company has been around since 1993, with over 1,700 employees working hard to provide electronic manufacturing services for consumer electronics. They offer a range of products, from LED TVs and washing machines to lighting bulbs and security systems. It's no wonder they're considered one of the leading players in their industry. But what makes Dixon Technologies stand out? For starters, they have an impressive track record with regards to financial performance. Their market capitalization is around $100 billion, which gives them a lot of leverage when it comes to making big decisions. They've also consistently paid dividends, with a dividend yield of 0.03%. That's less than the national average. As for their profitability, Dixon Technologies has a profit margin of just 2.38%, which means they're still working hard to turn a profit from every dollar they make. And when you compare that to some of their competitors, it's clear why investors are interested in this company. One area where Dixon Technologies is really excelling is in terms of pricing power. They have a price-to-book ratio of 42.35, which means they're not afraid to charge a premium for their products. And with a debt-to-equity ratio of just 30.83, they've got plenty of room to invest in growth. So what's driving Dixon Technologies' success? It's likely a combination of factors, including strong management, a talented workforce, and a solid product lineup. But one thing is for sure, this company has the potential to be a major player in the Indian electronics market. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.